making coffee this morning on this machine, which we use every day. Rather than coffee pouring out like it normally does, it was just dripping out very slowly, and I suspect that the tube running through it has become blocked with some deposits at the bottom. So we're going to first of all take the top off, have a look at it, make sure it's not the top plate that's blocked, and then set about unblocking that tube. We'll undo these two screws here, whiz that plate off. If you're lucky, the screws will come undone. This one is regularly serviced. But obviously having the holes blocked, some of the holes blocked like that, is not helping the flow of coffee, but I suspect that's not the problem. But we'll give that a clean and then we'll set about unblocking the tube. After you've poked about with the brake cable, you might be lucky and have unblocked the blockage. Generally, you'll know whether you have or not by how much stuff comes out. Thread the brake cable down into that tube. You want it coming out about that much so that you've got plenty of room for the drill to move lower, and when you're doing it you'll find at some point it's almost like breaking through a wall. You'll find that goes all the way in, because of course this here should be able to go all the way to here. So we've just felt the breakthrough, and now we're going to wash the machine out and see if a whole load of sludge. Moment of truth. Let's have a little look-see, shall we? What came out? Well, certainly that is very cloudy, but there's no big lumps in there, but that's certainly very cloudy. So the next test you can do is actually open up the steam tube, block this hole here and blow down it, and you should be able to blow through it really easily with water, and vigorously shake it from side to side. Let's try that again. The brake cable go through, the brake cable break through. Try spreading the wires at the end and then doing it again, because what you want to do is that tube needs to be cleared completely, and then go through the process again of putting some water in. Because that time when we did it, I don't know if you can see this on a rare sunny day, just a bit in the shade, but that time when we did it, a lot more sediment came out and bigger chunks as well. So I think we've probably cleared that by now. It's time to test it and make it. About the third time I've done it, and there's still quite a lot of sediment and some big chunks coming out now. Plate back in, put the plate back in first and put the seal in. Seal just lies on top, and then you just use a little screwdriver or something to make sure it's seated. But when you actually put the group handle in, that's the thing that really seats the seal. Are we going to get a steady flow of coffee or just a mere drip? There we go. A rat tail of coffee, which is what you want. So that blockage has been cured, and we can now go back to enjoying a cup of coffee in the morning with full steam pressure. If you are making coffee one morning, or you're making coffee over a period of time and you're finding that you're getting progressively less coffee coming out and you're having to put more and more water in, it might be that your steam tube is blocked. So get yourself a piece of brake cable and unblock it, and you'll miraculously transform your coffee experience. Full steam pressure, almost even managed to get a pattern in that one, and that one there looks like either, well, you can make out yourself what that looks like.